Okay, so count these in the tray. So there's these ones. This is part 3, maybe 4 of my mail day. So there's this one. These aren't metal cards, they're just how the guy sent them, my cards to me, although there might be some metal cards in there. And then there's just my loose cards. So this is a blaster box, and I'll open that at some point. So these ones, lovely amount of plastic wrap. Ugh. Wow. Trove of cards. We got NFL, we got basketball, we've got more NFL, we have more NFL, I have more NFL, more NFL. Ooh. We have a clearly certified rookie one. It's Kieran Henderson. I don't know who's on the other one. We got this guy and this guy. We got this one. I can't see. Reese, this one of you guys? Huh? Okay, so number 2. You see what I mean by stacking the cards? It's a good way of putting the cards in these things. I got some NBA. So I'll look at these later. Miles Gaskin. So these are pretty much cards that I've won on breaks. Yep, Archie Manning. We have an Eli. Some more basketball. It's made a foul. So I'll put these back in here. So this is why the box didn't shut properly, because there's a lot of cards in there. And then we have these ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually unravel these. I might just trusty and just go down like that. Wow, that's it. Whew, got stuck onto the plastic wrap. So we got A-Rod. We have some baseball cards. We have Derek Jeter. Some guy called Ronald Acuna Jr. Andrew, I think you might already have this one. Then we have some NFL. Some guy called Jared Goff. Minshew and a few others. There's a big Paxton Lynch card under there. And a Dan Marino. It's a good thing things are in top loaders, because then you can do that sort of stuff. Slide it down the side of it. Okay, we got JT. Alex Barnes. Check this out. Andre Williams. Dual colour patch. It is a thick card though. No Jeter. Panthers. A few good autos here. Albert. Number 210. Jake Fromm. Rookie gear. Not numbered. Jeter. Mark McGuire. We have Leaf. 75. Zach Moss. Auto. 30. Yanks. LA. Cam. You got this one? San Diego. Rolly fingers. Man, some of these names. Pittman Jr. One of those celebratory ones. RJ Hampton. Look at that. I think that's supposed to be his Breakers uniform. We got Santana Moss, which goes with the ball that somebody won, which I can't remember. Brendan Yaku. Prism. Not numbered. Move this really cool card. Flash. Patey. Okay, this one. Another one I need this for. Yeah. So some of you guys have already got previews of these. So here we go. Keyshawn Vaughn, rookie. Trout. But there's a few on there. And the one on the back is Matt Harvey. $99. Go Trojans. Paloma. Corn Fake cards. Yogi. Rolly Fingers. We have, oh shit, Mike Trout, Sander Vlad Senior. And on the back, you got Sammy. Onyx, Rookie. Black. Payton. Akers. Guy Dubard. LeBron James. Draft picks. Or 500. Freddie Freeman. Gronk when he was playing for the Pats. JT. Another Keyshawn Vaughn. Whoop. Also not numbered. Alright. Last pack. Alright. Can any of you guys remember where I put my knife? Underneath the cards. Whoa! Only thing happens when you're trying to open things with one hand. Oops, there goes the knife as well. So I'm going to show you guys these cards. I'll show you the single cards. It's a Christmas one from last year, I think. Dodgers. So 35 years. Someone said they were collecting 35 years. Can't remember. Jerry Judy. Not numbered. $99. Justin Herbert. From that ugly jerseys one. Denzel Mims. Some more female basketball. 7/10. Trout. I think this guy's name is Kyle Knight, but I might be wrong. To 99. Kyle Wright. Then we have this big one. Medallion card for Pittsburgh. These are pretty much Rams all the way through. And this is what a certain Sam is looking at. Bam! In my hands. 3-patch auto 99 Colts, Michael Pittman Jr. Fenton Davis. Boom, baby. High school superstar. LeBron James. Now Gavin Lux. Vlad Jr. Not numbered. Carl Lewis. Not numbered. And then there's this Mets one. Tim Tebow for the Mets. Okay, so that's all of them. Thanks for sticking around for so long. Cheers.